Hey, welcome back to Desert Tips and Adventures. So today we're going to do some maintenance on the rooftop tent. I haven't been able to go out camping for a while, so it hasn't been open. And so I thought I'd better give it an open because of all the rain we've had. There'll be moisture in there, I can guarantee it. Yeah, give it a clean out once it's nice and sunny. Treat any mould that happens. And we'll throw some moisture absorbers in there too. A little tip that someone's shown me, so we'll get into it, eh? It's got a bit of moisture in there. I just took it all apart, gave it a good wash, make sure there's no mould growing, and took everything out. Gave it a good clean. Got the mattress over there drying on the car, liner, and the carpet just drying out, making sure we don't get any mould happening. Was a little bit of moisture in there, and then I gave it a good clean, and you can see over there I've got some moisture sitting over there. I just gave it a good clean. Once it dries out, I'll clean all the fly screens, give it a wipe out the inside. Yeah, just general maintenance when she's not getting used. You've got to open them up periodically, just let them air out. Yeah. So I've got some white vinegar, some cleaning vinegar. It's about $3 from Bunnings or Coles, whatever. And a spray bottle. And I've mixed up 50 ml of the vinegar to 100 ml of water. I've already given the tent a wipe down. So I gave it a wipe down. We've just spray it with the vinegar and wipe it over the rag. So just give it a, I don't know if you can see that, just give it a bit of a spray. Make sure you get your seals as well, all the way along the bottom. Those seals. Wipe it down. Give the seals a good clean as well. I've also wiped over the poles because they seem to hold moisture, and I've brought a couple of moisture absorbers. So I've got the damp free ones, about $4, pretty cheap, and it says to give you 5 centimeters of gap. I don't think I'm going to have 5 centimeters, but I'm just going to throw one on each side of the ladle like so. Just try to help absorb any moisture, and hopefully they work. One of my friends uses them, he reckons they're pretty good, so we'll try that.